I'm James Windsor, I'm the CEO of Fibre King. We're a 96-year-old business that is generally an engineering business, focusing on automation for food and beverage manufacturers. CapFeather looked at our existing processes and operating procedures and then worked through a technique of being able to identify where we had waste and where we were able to make improvements to streamline and become more efficient and more effective in what we were doing. We actually were able to identify that there was a significant amount of hours that our sales team were spending on opportunities that were not likely to go anywhere. And through the process that we took with CapFeather, we were able to stop doing those things that weren't adding any value and actually put the time where it was needed and where it was more effective. The interaction with CapFeather was not only with myself but with my whole team, and specifically in the areas of focus. So when we were looking at the sales process, there was interviews with the sales individuals to understand the process, and that was the really important thing, was actually not just taking on face value the areas of challenge that I could see, but also where my team was having challenges and where they were spending time that wasn't effective. So by doing that, the team at CapFeather were able to identify the areas that I couldn't see because it was actually what the frontline team were facing. And then off the back of that, we were able to implement strategies and changes with the teams involved, which then made adoption to the new process way easier than you'd normally get if it's a top-down approach. From the strategies and the principles put in place by the team at CapFeather, we have seen a significant increase in our efficiency and effectiveness of our team, specifically our sales team, but also across other areas of the business and our management team. It was unlike other consultants that we'd worked with in the past, because it wasn't just a report in front of us, it was actually a full execution plan around what we were going to do. While the team had to execute on it, CapFeather was there to support the change and make sure we were going in the right direction.